Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to share how to set up a push notification campaign in OmniSend. Go to the Campaigns tab, then you will click the New Campaign button on the right side. After clicking the New Campaign button, here you can find many types of campaigns. Today, our topic is push notification, so you will click the last option, push notifications. And here, first you will write a campaign name, and the second option is title. You will write a title, and the next step is you will write text. Next you will paste the destination URL. Destination URL means the URL that we will put in our push notification campaign for our subscribers. Any subscriber who clicks on this push notification will go to the URL that we have placed in our campaign. The next step is, if you want to add an icon here, you can add it, and same option, image. If you want to add an image here, you can add it. Next you will see the browsers that support push notification. After ready for campaign, you will click the next step button, and here you will select the subscriber. After select the subscriber, you will click the next step button, and here click the send now, and your push notification campaign is sent. Thank you for my watching videos. If you have any question, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.